You feel? Yes, sir. Jamra.
Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. If it is the first time that you're passing by Yardie TV, I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. Today I am heading back to my doctor's appointment. I'm heading for a doctor's appointment, I should say. And this is a follow-up with my primary care physician. And the last time I went there, you know, it was pretty awful for me, because that was where he diagnosed me as having diabetes. He told me my A1C was, 6.6. My blood sugar level was high, that I was overweight. He pretty much, laid it, he laid it out on a platter, how unhealthy I was. That was in September of last year. He then prescribed metformin for me and sent me home and said, in 3 months' time he'll do a follow-up to see if the metformin did anything. And there was pretty much no major recommendations, aside from eat less fat, eat less salt, the run of the mill recommendations. And so today I'm gonna go back in and talk with him to see if there is any changes. Now, you have been along with me for the ride, so you know that I have made significant changes, or I've made the attempt at significant changes over these past months. So today is a confirmation whether or not the changes were effective, whether or not there were he sees any difference, my A1C, if it moved, all these things we're gonna go find out today. So if you really want to hear the follow-up diagnosis or prognosis, I don't know about the gnosis, which one are the gnosis, but if you really want to hear, stick around for this video. I am on the way and should be there shortly. Yeah, and as much as I possibly can, I will try to vlog the conversation with me and my doctor. I don't know if they will allow that, but I will try my best to do some type of thing, make you hear it from the horse's mouth. Me not say my doctor asked. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying you hear from him if there's any changes or any difference. And so yeah, stick and stay. Yardie TV. I remember me tell you, Lord of mercy. So they told me to make sure that I bring a mask, and I did have one, but I left it. So hopefully them not chase me out of them clinic, because I never have a mask. I check in online already. So let's hope that I don't get put out because I don't have my mask. I will ask them. Yeah man, so I'm going here now, go check in and see what I go on. So I did get a mask. This construction looking mask. But sign in already and I wait for them to call me. So they'll soon call me and we'll sort out. Yeah man. So the weight is down from 267 in September to 244 with my stuff, my keys, my phone, my wallet, all of the stuff, then my shoes, everything. So I know we're down about 243, between 243 and 242. Blood pressure is a little bit high, and I know why, because it's the afternoon, it's an afternoon thing, and I also have me eating this morning a little bit off, so I know why it's high, but it's the systolic is higher than the diastolic, the top one higher than the lower one, but we'll work on that. So waiting to hear from the doctor now. and hopefully we can record the session. I don't know if I must ask him, but yeah, might just record the session. All right, so let's see what happens.
I know that you take it metformin for the diabetic or not.
I stopped taking it.
Okay.
I've been taking something else.
What do you take?
I take more natural supplements.
Okay. And how is the blood sugar?
I brought the paper.
Oh, great.
It's been very good. I mean, I do just the fasting in the mornings. I don't do the whole day.
That's good.
You know, so it's steadily been going down.
Great.
You know,
it's great.
The weight is down as well, about 20 pounds.
How is the name? How is the name of the? Okay. What is the other medication that you taking at this moment?
I've not
taking medication.
No. The water pill.
The water pill. What's going on? Did you take it or not?
I take it every now and then. As I said, my blood pressure isn't generally. I don't know what happens every time I come to the doctor.
Oh my God!
But on the real, when I'm home and I check my blood pressure, it's good. I don't know. The same thing happened with my wife.
Okay. Let's see what's going on.
But we do take our blood pressure medication at home. You know, so.
Sir. Amazing. Your A1C.
What is the A1C?
Diabetic.
What is it?
The diabetic.
Uh-huh.
Drop it from 6.6 to 5.3.
Okay. 5.3.
5.3.
So that would be classed as what?
Okay. In between 5.7 and 6.4 is considered pre-diabetic.
Mm-hmm.
6.5 above is considered diabetic.
Mm-hmm.
Last time you wasn't 6.6.
6. Mm-hmm.
Was considered diabetic,
Mm-hmm.
but now you have a very well control of your diabetic.
Yes, sir.
Really, I have to say yes. Good. Medication is working. Even I believe
So-
a lot of supplement are natural supplement. I believe.
Yes, sir.
I don't have any problem because really I studied some
Mm-hmm.
related with the medication, and I believe in it. And it's working. In your case, work.
It's a combination of exercise, diet,
Of course.
supplement,
Of course.
and I finally get it. You
Of
know,
course. Yes, you get it.
I finally
Very
get it.
good.
You know,
Very good.
I control my carbs. I also another thing that I do, I fast, intermittent fasting. So I stop eating from, say, the latest 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't eat anything else. And then I walk in the morning,
You
I
are
check my
working
blood
your
pressure.
lifestyle. That is
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Continue like this. Keep the same. That everything that you are doing is working. For me, it's an excellent result.
Thank you.
5.3 is an excellent result.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Wow,
Cholesterol is normal. I dropped 20 pounds. My weight is down.
Let me see right now. Let me check.
That's gonna wow you.
Your kidney function is good. Your liver function is normal. Let me see your kidney function first.
Wow.
Improve. Your kidney function improved too. The CBC will differentiate your white blood cell normal, red blood cell normal. The platelet count is normal, no anemia. Great. In general, the 3 blood work or the 4 blood work here that I ordered before,
Yes, sir.
everything came an excellent shape.
Wow.
Let me do something right for me. What is the name of the
Body who asks me, I say I'm hungry 24 hours a day. No lie, I'm hungry all the time.
It's true, and I believe you that it's true.
You know.
But the good thing is that you focuses on everything that you have to do not eat too much.
Yes, sir.
And it's hard.
Yes, sir. And if I find the time is running too late, I will make something like a cup of tea and fight the hunger all through the night.
Yeah. Okay, I will see you again in 3 months.
Okay.
I need that you check the blood pressure.
Okay.
Okay, I give you the hydrochlorothiazide again. Take it as once a day, 12.5 milligram. Okay.
Okay. So generally, I'm good. Oh boy. Let me say this to my people. So the doctor says I'm good, guys. All right. He says I'm in excellent health. I will tell you all about it when I get out of the office. Yes, I feel good about that. All right. Thank you so much, man. Oh, so guys. Oh, let me try to get this thing off of me. Let me try to get this thing off me. Trust me. I am so elated. I am so happy. Bear with me, bear with me. So happy, guys. You heard it from the doctor himself. So, guys, that is it. I cannot believe, you understand, that everything work out how it will work out. The doctor himself was so impressed. You understand? I had to run to the Publix, say me get something to drink, because I've been thirsty, like crazy thirsty. So may I show you what I buy. But guys, the man asked me, literally asked me when me take. The doctor asked me when me I take, because him can't believe. Let me tell you something. Most of the time, when a person is diagnosed, nowadays especially, with any type of, illness like that, usually them get worse. And so them a look for see you come back and look worse. Them a look for you turn up, worse than the last time. Man said, wow. I couldn't get everything, because at one stage, me never want him feel like start get suspicious. So me I record the session. But the man was like, wow, the man said, write down the names of something where you take. Because him said, I'm very interested. I am very interested. The man said, him want to know when me take. You understand? When the man see me down, the man see my blood pressure. Oh, my blood pressure was high. I don't know what happened. That was something that I have to talk about, because blood pressure issue, but wow, I feel good. I feel real good, guys. All this hard work. I mean, my A1C is down from 6.6 to 5.3. Wow. Something worked. Something worked, and I'm so happy. I truly know I'm happy. I'm keeping on. Not, when the man says I'm down 23 pounds, the man is like, what? The man said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. The man said this is one of the most excellent results he has seen. Guys, can't tell you how I feel good about that. You understand? So I get myself a Natalie's. Yeah, and Natalie's, if you're watching, please, make a work out some endorsement deal. So Natalie's is one of those brands that I really like. Ingredients: orange juice and beet puree, and it says orange and beet. All right, and orange juice and beet puree, and no added sugar, no nothing. That's it. Let me see where the next one. It was on special, so I grabbed. Me already. With the buy one get one free. So it was on special, so I grabbed two of them. This one is carrot, ginger, turmeric, and apple. Ingredients: carrot juice, ginger puree, turmeric puree, apple juice, lemon juice. That is it. See there, you can look for yourself and see the ingredients list. Hopefully y'all see it. But yeah, so you know, guys, hard work does pay off. You know, if I thought to myself that this wasn't gonna work, if I had doubted myself that I wasn't, you know, gonna make something happen, I can tell if you're out there and you are struggling with any type of diabetes or any type of sickness, it's hard work, but you can overcome. You can feel good in your body. You understand? You can feel great in your body. May I tell you, I'm hungry 24 hours a day, but I feel great. You understand? Me get up in the mornings and me run, me make the time. This is the thing, make the time, guys. Forget your body right. Make the time to work out. Make the time. You know? Suffer through the hard, the eating thing. You understand? Fight as much as you can for life, for win, because they out there trying to kill you, man. Let me just tell you, man, they out there trying to kill you. When I tell the man, I'm stop taking metformin, because hear him, he was gonna prescribe more metformin for me. I say, prescribe what? Prescribe what? You ain't prescribing no more metformin for me. You crazy? I was like, trust me. I wanted to do a dance in that doctor's office. But guys, keep on keeping on. We're up on the health journey together, and you know, hopefully this vlog will be something of an eye-opener for somebody, and we all will just do better with our lives, better with our health, and yeah, continue to watch on Yardie TV, continue to subscribe, tell a friend, you know, and reach out if you don't want help. Reach out, because we're there for now. You understand? Big up on yourself. Remember to like, share, and subscribe and everything. Yeah, Yardie TV on the health journey, tripping out over my health results. Big up on yourself. Yeah, yeah.